Today we're breaking down winter squash. At Early Morning Farm, we grow 4 varieties of winter squash: acorn, delicata, butternut, and sweet dumpling squash.
And the great thing about winter squash is that if you store it properly, it can last for months. So the ideal temperature is 55 degrees Fahrenheit. What does that mean? Well, basement, mudroom, garage, somewhere that's cool and well ventilated.
Before you store your winter squash, wipe it clean and completely dry.
And even though each of these squash has its own unique flavor, there's one basic method for breaking all of them down that we're going to show you today. Use a sharp knife. Remove the top and bottom of the squash to create a stable surface. Set the squash on the flat part and slice down the center. Scoop out the seeds and you're ready to prepare it for any recipe.
Make sure you save the seeds for roasting. They make a great topping and snack.